Boothbay Harbor has 8 land use districts that detail how land in various areas can be used. Residents of the town of Boothbay Harbor established a new working waterfront district by public vote in May of 2019. According to our town codes, the intention of this land use district is to protect traditional, commercial, water-dependent uses such as commercial fishing, boat building, marine service and repair, etc., from other competing but incompatible uses, to conserve points of public access to coastal waters, and to give preference in identified areas to commercial, water-dependent uses over recreational and residential uses. The Working Waterfront District currently encompasses 4 commercial piers, starting at the town-owned fish pier and continuing to the Boothbay Lobster Wharf. The Boothbay Region Maritime Foundation is working to rebuild 2 piers in this area, one at the old Boothbay Region Fishermen's Co-op and one at Carter's Wharf, formerly the Sea Pier. This small section on the east side is vitally important to our fishing industry. More than that, it is an important part of our cultural identity and our maritime heritage. You can support this project and the educational efforts of the Boothbay Region Maritime Foundation by sending a tax-deductible donation to P.O. Box 285, Boothbay Harbor, Maine, 04538, or visit our website at www.boothbayregionmaritimefoundation.org. The Boothbay Region Maritime Foundation, preserving working waterfront and our maritime heritage.